Seda stuudio tantsuga Olgem sõbrad. Tantsu autoriks Laura Saar.
Now you can lift the word up again and again, but the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friend. And if it ain't me, you know I couldn't be much help, because a friend's somebody you judge for yourself. Some are okay and they treat you real cool, and some mistake the kindness for being the fool. We like to be with some because they're funny. Others come around when they need some money. Some of you are with around the way, and you're still real close to this very day. Homeboys do the summer with the spring and fall, and then it's over which we never do it all. This goes on again and again, but these are the people that we call friends. When we first got together, we barely knew each other. We had no intentions on becoming lovers, but in no time at all, you became my girl. Me and you one-on-one against the world. Talking on the telephone for hours at a time, and else I was at your house when you was at mine. And then came the arguments and all kinds of problems. Besides making love, we had nothing in common. It couldn't last long because it started out strong, but I guess we went about the whole thing wrong. Cause out of nowhere, it just came to an end, because we became lovers before we were friends.
Aitäh! Aga nüüd astuvad lavale